Have you ever wondered what everything around you made of? Everything is made from matter, which exists as elements, compounds, or mixtures. Let's dive into these concepts. Elements are the simplest substances. They consist of only one type of atom and cannot be broken down into simpler substances. The periodic table contains 115 elements, categorized as metals and non-metals. Metals are typically dense and conduct electricity well, while non-metals have different properties. Compounds are formed when two or more elements chemically combine. For instance, when hydrogen and oxygen join, they create water, represented as H2O. Each compound has a fixed proportion of elements, demonstrated by the law of constant composition. Chemical bonds hold the atoms together in compounds. Now, what about mixtures? Mixtures are combinations of two or more substances that don't chemically combine. They can be separated using physical methods. Distillation, filtration, and chromatography are common techniques for separation. Mixtures can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. In homogeneous mixtures, like a sugar solution, the composition is uniform. Heterogeneous mixtures, like salad, have distinct areas with different compositions. Each type of mixture offers diverse physical properties. For example, air is a homogeneous mixture of gases, while concrete is a heterogeneous mixture containing various materials. Understanding the differences between mixtures and compounds is essential. Mixtures can be separated physically, while compounds require chemical processes to break them down. In summary, everything is comprised of elements, compounds, and mixtures. Elements are pure substances, compounds are chemically bonded combinations, and mixtures are physical blends of substances. To explore more about these concepts, watch our full video series. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content.